Hey, what's up internet? This is a follow-up video to one I made last year on WD-40 being used on deep car scratches. And while WD-40 does somewhat reduce a scratch's visibility, it isn't enough, so I'm going to try something new with a combination of permanent marker and WD-40. Please note, this doesn't actually remove a deep car scratch, it just reduces the appearance of it. But for those who don't plan to ever use more expensive means to fix a deep car scratch, this video is probably worth watching. Permanent markers and WD-40 are cheap after all. Note, if you're gonna try this, do it at your own risk. Don't be doing this on a super expensive car or one you're emotionally attached to. I'm not liable for anything that happens. Plus, I'm doing it on my own car at my expense, just for you guys, so cut me some slack. This probably only works for cars that have colors obtainable in markers. Sorry, no Haganeh blue or something. There's probably a more elegant way to apply marker on the scratch, but I'm just going fast for the video's sake. I'll leave a little bit of the scratch uncovered on the left so you can see the difference in the end. As expected, the marker's color does not match the car paint perfectly, but that's fine. The video isn't over yet. There's still WD-40 to add. But for fun, let me ask my mom what she thinks. What do you think? Can you still see the scratch?
Yes.
on the right side, I covered it with marker. It looks bad, huh? I can get rid of it. But it's obvious, right?
Is this the one you mean?
Yeah, I just
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh man. Okay, well, this experiment was a fail. Now comes the final ingredient. WD-40. I don't know the exact science behind this, but somehow the combination of permanent marker and WD-40 actually reduces the appearance of the scratches even more than using each individually. Give it a day to marinate before making a judgment. We're just trying to reduce its appearance after all. Let's do the mom test again 24 hours later to see if she thinks the scratch appearance has reduced. So, this is the morning and I'm using my cell phone camera instead of my regular camera because I'm too lazy to get it, but I noticed it actually looks pretty good. What do you think, Mom? Can you look at the scratch right there?
Good.
Look. It really got rid of it, right? All I did was add WD-40 at the end. For some reason, it made it really... Wow. That is kind of shocking how good it turned out to be. I mean, you can still see the scratch, but this is actually much better than using WD-40 by itself. Use the marker and then WD-40 after the marker. And, so it actually looks better than before, huh?
Yep.
Okay, well,
I approve.
okay, well, that's it, I guess. So what do you think? At the end, even though the scratch is still visible, its appearance has greatly reduced. Well, that's just according to my mom and I. Leave your opinions in the comments. And that's it. Like if you liked the video, or dislike if you hated it. Give me a sub if you can. I'd love to get a silver play button someday. Only you guys can make that possible. Thanks for watching.